Paano nga ba ang katulad kong manipis, untamed, at bihirang magsuklay pero na-maintain pa rin na manageable ang buhok? Watch till the end, isi-share ko sa inyo. Hi loves! Nandito ako ngayon sa Clipper Salon and Barbershop para magpa-assistant hair treatment. For context, oily at manipis ang hair ko. Not color-treated or rebonded at madalas akong naka-hair extensions para magmukhang makapal. Pero para ma-maintain yung smooth and shiny look, nagpapasistin ako every 2 months. These treatments help make your hairs more manageable, soft, and frizz-free. Perfect kung lagi kang on the go like me. Ang cool pa, ginamitan ako ng rotating LED machine. It helps the treatment absorb faster and deeper sa hair strands. Parang may mini hair science experiment sa ulo ko pero worth it naman, promise! After a few hours, ayan na siya! Soft, shiny, and super manageable kahit manipis pa rin ang hair. And the best part, no more buhaghag hair days na. At bonus pa, the owner of Clipper Salon is actually my high school schoolmate. Nakaka-proud to see kababata succeeding in their own business. So kung gusto mo rin ng hair na parang laging salon fresh, try mo na dito sa Clipper Salon and Barbershop. And don't forget, comment down below kung ano ang next beauty tip na gusto nyo or follow me for more hair and beauty tips. Bye!